Hi, this video is about how to set up TikTok Shop tutorial for beginners. TikTok Shop is an innovative new shopping feature which enables merchants, brands, and creators to showcase and sell products directly on TikTok through in-feed videos, lives, and product showcase tab. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to our TikTok app and go to our profile. And as you can see in our account, our TikTok shop is not activated yet because our account is in private. So we are going to need to switch our account into public account and switch it to business account for us to be able to activate our TikTok shop. So we are going to click the three-line icon at the upper right corner of our interface, and we are going to try and we are going to switch it now. So click settings and privacy, and then click privacy. So we are going to switch our private account to public account. So with the public account, anyone will be able to follow you, view your public posts, and answer your questions from public posts. So anyone can duet with your videos, anyone can stitch with your videos, and anyone can download your videos. So just click switch. Now this time we are going to switch our account into business account. So just click the three lines at the upper right again and click settings and privacy and click account. And click switch to business account. With the business account, you will get more business features in Business Suite. Your existing videos and contents won't be affected. So click next. So you will be able to learn about your audience, you can reach more people, and you can access conversion tools. So we are going to need to select a category for our business account. So you're just going to scroll down because there are a lot of categories here to choose from. So whatever your business account is about, so we are going to click on shopping and retail, click next. And you are going to add an email to your profile to connect with your customers directly. You can always change this later. So you can add your email address now, or you can just click skip because you can always try to add your email later. You're ready to engage with your audience. So you need to post a TikTok video. You can create it now or you can create it later. So just click maybe later. Now you're all set, so you can access more tools to better connect with your customers and grow your business. So we are going to go back to our profile because we can already set up our TikTok shop. So just click the three lines at the upper right hand corner again. And this time we are going to click Creator Tools and scroll down and click TikTok Shop for Creator. So, TikTok Shop allows creators like you to showcase your favorite products. When you join, you'll be able to share shoppable products with viewers in your videos. To facilitate your connection with sellers and agencies, your basic info, your live and video data, and relevant performance data will be shared with sellers and agencies through Creator Marketplace. To be eligible, accounts must be in good standing, follow our community guidelines, and meet the following requirements. Now, when we say accounts must be in good standing, meaning your account hasn't violated any of the community guidelines of TikTok. So make sure that your account hasn't violated. So there are requirements for you to be able to activate your TikTok shop. So you need to have over 1,000 followers and be at least 18 years old. So once you see the check mark there beside the requirements, it means that you're good to go. If not, you need to comply those. So by continuing, you agree to the creator terms of use and TikTok shop privacy policy and acknowledge that your basic info, Your live and video data and relevant performance data will be shared with sellers and agencies through Creator Marketplace. So just click apply, and we're just going to wait for a few seconds. And there you go. Congratulations, we can now sell and earn. So your application was approved and start earning by selling TikTok affiliate products. So if you don't have any products yet to sell, you can start with affiliating. So just go over the steps for us to get started. So step 1 is we are going to create a commission account. So why do we need to promote products with TikTok Shop? So we can monetize our content, we can also access a huge range of products, and we can promote products and earn commission. So just click go to step 1 so that we can get started with our TikTok Shop. So make sure your name matches the name on your beneficiary account, or you may not be able to withdraw commissions. So when you are going to write or fill out your first name and your last name, make sure that it's the same with your beneficiary account. So just fill it out, first name and your last name. And then once you've completed that, you are just going to click submit. And then just click submit to confirm your name. There, our account is already created, so we can add products to just get started. So in this part, you are just going to scroll down and you're just going to look for products that will suit you or you want to sell or you want to have a commission with. So just scroll down, you can choose any from there. And this video, we're just going to add that to our product, this feminine wash. So add to showcase, and you can go over the TikTok shop and see their functions later on. You can do this on your own. And we're going to try to check our profile. So we're going to go back to our profile and check if the TikTok shop is already activated in our account. And there you go. As you can see, there is the TikTok shop already. So that small basket, that is our TikTok shop icon. And the product that we added to our showcase earlier is also already in our TikTok shop. And there we go. So that's how easy we can set up our TikTok shop. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.